Hello and welcome to this little mending video. Maybe some of you have tried it to have these jeans that have got a bad tear, and this is me trying to show you how to fix them. So first of all, I'm cutting off a little piece of denim that kind of fits in the color, and I'm putting it on the back here because I need to have something to make it stronger behind. I can't just stitch it on top of this tear because yeah, that would be bad. And I'm just putting it in place with some needles. And then I'm popping it into the machine and making sure that I've only got this layer and not the front of the jeans as well. And then I'm just stitching on top of it a lot of times with a zigzag stitch. And of course, I'm trying to have a thread color that matches in the color. Unless you, of course, want to do something that's very visible mending wise, and then you can use a different color. But here I'm trying to use a color that matches. And because the tear is so close to the pocket, I have to go on top of the pocket, the corner of the pocket, and that's where you have a lot of layers of denim, and it can be quite hard for the sewing machine to go through it. So be really careful that you don't break the needle and yeah, lose it somewhere. So I'm just being super careful, and then I'm turning it 90 degrees and going through it again on top of the stitches I've already made. And then there isn't a tear anymore, and yes, you can see a little bit that something else is happening, but because the color of the thread matches so well, it looks quite good, I think. And yeah, they won't fall apart anymore in that specific position, that's for sure. So when you're done stitching, you can take it out of the machine, and then of course you can see it from the other side, where you will have that piece of denim that you put on to hold the fabric in the back. And you can cut off the extra bits there that you don't need. Just cut them as close to as you can, and then you have your jeans done and ready to wear again. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.